Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I hope all are doing well, isn't it? Yes, as I told you in the previous class, today I am going to take up 1 marks question and answers. Okay, so ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, the poem, the school boy, you have to you are supposed to write 1 marks question and answers in this class. Okay, I hope you have a pen and a notebook as well as textbook in front of you. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಪೆನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು I will start the question and answers. I will start reading. Okay, are you ready? Yes, please keep a separate notes for English subject. Okay, English subject ಗೆ ಒಂದು separate ಆಗಿ notes ಇಡಿ. Okay, I hope you all got my point. Now I will begin. Okay, question and answers. So totally in textbook you have 7 question and answers. Okay, 7 question and answers ಇದಾವೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 marks question and answers. So ನಾನಿವತ್ತು today I am going to picking up 1 marks question and answers ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, these 7 questions as well as extra questions which I had been through your previous question papers, ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು previous question papers ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು so I have taken up extra questions also. Okay, these extra questions are also, they are also important from the point of view of examination point of view ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕೂಡ extra questions ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ important, you are supposed to read it. Okay, okay children, let's begin. Let's not waste the time. Yes, first question in your textbook itself, I will begin. Who, I will start narrating, you have to write in your notes. Okay, if you can't write speed, okay, if you can't write speedily, so do one thing, pause the video, then you start writing, again you play the video, then again you pause the video, then start writing. So that's how you can do in this session, isn't it? Okay, some will be slow writers also. Okay, yes, who do you think I refers to in the poem. Okay, you can leave a space because these questions are in the textbook itself. So ಈ questions textbook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ fill up the answers. Okay, ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲೇಟರ್ ಆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ write the questions also. Okay, yes, the answer is I refers to the school going boy. I refers to the school going boy. Okay, yes, let's move on to the next question. Sweet company refers to, okay, so options they have given, isn't it? So options ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, so you are supposed to write those options. Yes, what are the options they have given here? Skylark, huntsman horn, bird song, option D, all the above 3. Okay, which is the correct option according to you? Yes, Sweet company andre he refers to everything. What does he refer? Skylark, huntsman horn, bird song. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅವನ್ನ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರೀತಾನೆ. Okay, these are belongs to nature. So those are those which belongs to nature, he calls everything as sweet company itself. Okay, so nature ಗೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವಗಳನ್ನು ಅವನು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಅಬೌವ್ 3. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಅಬೌವ್ 3. ಓಕೆ, yes, I hope you have finished now. Next, third question. What drives the boys joy away? Okay, what drives the boys joy away? Still another question is there. Okay, they may ask you like this also. Right, another question. What cannot give delight to the schoolboy? Yes, shall I repeat the question? Yes, what cannot give delight means happiness. Okay, give delight to the schoolboy. Okay, shall I narrate the answer? Yes, answer is the very thought of THOUGHT, thought of, the very thought of going to school drives the boys joy away. Okay, the very thought of going to school drives the boys joy. Boys means not this boys. Okay, apostrophe yes. Okay, boys. Okay, boys joy away. Next, shall I move to the next question, children? Yes, how do the little ones spend the day in the school? Okay, how do the little ones spend the day in the school? Okay, let's see the answer. Yes, can anyone guess? From whoever is watching this video, can anyone guess what is the answer? ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ? How do the little ones spend the day in the school? ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಳೀತಿದ್ದ ಅವನು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ? ವಾಸ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ? ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ನ ಅವನು? ನೋ, ನಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ the little ones spend the day, the little ones spend the day in dismay and restlessness. Okay, so another, yes, the little ones spend the day in dismay. Dismay means, as I told you, disappointment. Okay, dismay and restlessness. Okay, yes, restlessness in school. Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Yes. What does case stand for? What does case stand for in the poem? Okay, yes, the answer is case anta yavadu compare ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ the school boy? Yes, I can hear somebody is telling the answer. Yes, children, the school answer is school is compared to compared compared to a birds. Okay, apostrophe, yes, birds, apostrophe, yes, birds case. Okay, school is compared to a bird's case. Is it clear, children? Yes, I hope you have finished the right. I hope you have finished writing the answer, isn't it? Yes. Let's move on to the next question. Yes. Pick the phrase from the following which does not refer to formal schooling. Okay, yes, so options are given there, isn't it? How many options are there? Yes, children, 4 options are there. So ಈ poemಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ you have to take it out. Okay, so ಯಾವುದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ poemಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ? In these options, buds are nipped, that's in the poem, isn't it? Yes. Plants are stripped, that's also in the poem. Fruits are gathered. It is left to you to decide now. Okay, then blossoms are blown away. What do you think, children? Yes, option B is the right answer. So, fruits are gathered ಅಂತ ಅವನೆಲ್ಲೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಪೋಯಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಓವರ್ ದಟ್. Fruits are gathered. B is the answer here. You have to understand the question. Later on you can, it will be easy to answer you. Okay. Yes. 7th question. Relate the seasons. Relate the seasons mentioned under column A with the stages of life, under column B. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್. ಸೊ ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸೀಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫಿಗೂ ಹಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಸ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಬಾಲ್ಯಾವಸ್ಥೆನ ಯಾವುದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಸನ್, ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಈ ಥರ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟು ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸೀಸನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಇಸ್ಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಎಸ್, ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ಗೆ ಹಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಯೂತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯೂತ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೂ ನೀವು ತಗೋಬೋದು, ಬಿಸಿ ರಕ್ತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಸಮ್ಮರ್ಗೆ ಯಂಗ್ ಏಜ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ಯಾಷನೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯಂಗ್ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ಯಾಷನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಿಟ್ಟು, ಓಕೆ, ಫೆರೋಷಿಯಸ್, ಅಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಯೂತ್ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಹಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಟು ಯಂಗ್ ಯೂತ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ winter means old age. Okay, yes, I hope you have finished. Yes, shall we move to the next extra questions? Please don't neglect these questions as extra questions. Okay, extra questions anta please don't neglect. These may appear in your exams. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆದಿರೋದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸಿಂದ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪಿಕ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್. Please read these question and answers also seriously. Okay, yes, extra questions you can continue, or you can put a heading called extra questions and you can continue writing. Yes, first question in extra questions, as I told you, you can continue also. Who is the poet? Please write down the answers also, because these questions are not in the textbook. Okay, ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ನಾನು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ನೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, who is the poet of the poem The poem The Schoolboy. Who is the poet of the poem The Schoolboy? So, who is the author of this poem? Yes, William Blake. William Blake is William Blake is the author of The Schoolboy. Okay. Next, I dash to, put a dash, I dash to TO2 to rise in a summer morning. I dash to rise in a summer morning. So, what is the answer? So, the answer, it's in the first line itself, isn't it? Yes, I love to. Okay. In the blank you have to write love, L-O-V, love to. Yes. Shall we move to the next? Yes, children. Next question. What does the boy like about the huntsman? So, the options are given here. Yes, option A, sound of his horn. You are supposed to write the options also. Okay. Yes, option A, sound of his horn. Option B, hunting skills. Option C, his personality. Option D, all of the above. Yes, you want me to repeat the options? Yes. Option A, sound of his horn. Option B, hunting skills. Option C, his personality. Option D, all of the above. So, you have to choose the right answer. What does the boy like about the huntsman? So, huntsman ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಅವನಿಗೆ? What does he like? The feature of the huntsman. ಏನು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ huntsmanದು? Yes, sound of his horn. So, ಅವನು trumpet blow ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, ಆ sound of his horn liked by the schoolboy. Schoolboyಗೆ sound of his horn liked by, sound of his horn. His means huntsman. Okay. Yes. Next question. The word WORD. Okay. Not this word, this word. The word WORD. The word winds. WINDS. Winds means dash. The word wind means winds means dash. Yes, sound by, answer is sound by blowing of horn. Okay, sound by blowing of horn. Yes. Next question. What does the schoolboy love to do in a morning? Okay, what does the schoolboy loves to do in the morning? Sorry. Yes, the answer is he loves to listen to the birds song, apostrophe s, as I told you, birds, B-I-R-D, apostrophe yes, birds song and distant huntsman's apostrophe yes, huntsman's horn. Okay, so Yenishtanige he loves to hear the sound of chirping sound of birds as well as the blow of the huntsman. Okay, the trumpet, he loves to listen the trumpet sound which is blown by the huntsman. Aita? Next. Shall I repeat the answer? Yes, children. He loves to listen to the birds song and distant huntsman's horn. Yes. Next question. Mention any one of the things that the schoolboy mention any one of the things the schoolboy considers as sweet company. Yes, the answer is skylarks song is considered as sweet company, sweet company by the schoolboy. Skylark's song is considered as sweet company by the schoolboy. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let's move on to the next question. The birds, next question, this is the birds sing in summer. The birds sing in summer. Is it right or wrong? Okay. So you have to write true in the bracket. True. Next question. The birds sing in summer. So in the put a bracket over there. Then write true in that bracket. Okay, bracket alli true anta bariri. Or you can put a right mark also. Yes. Next question. He cannot take delight in his he cannot take delight in his books because options are given, children, here. Option A, he is attracted towards nature. So that is the first option. Second option, he is dull. He is dull. Okay, D-U-double-L, dull. Next, option C, he doesn't like to study. Okay. Option A, he is attracted towards nature. Option B, he is dull. Option C, he doesn't like to study. So which is the correct option, children? Yes, option A. He is attracted towards nature. Yes. Shall I come to next question? Yes. Next question. Nor, N-O-R, nor in my dash, put a dash after that, dash, can I take delight. Nor in my dash can I take delight. Okay, options are given for this question also. Yes, option A, book. Option B, dreary shore. Option B, dreary shore. It's in the textbook, children. Dreary shore. Okay. Option C, learning's bower. You can look at the textbook. Okay, you can look at the poem. It is in learning's bower. Option D, all of the above. So which is the correct option here? Which is the correct option? Nor in my dash can I take delight. Yes, nor in my book. So option A is the right answer here. Yes. Let's move on to the next question. In the schoolboy, learnings Bower refers to options. Options are here, refers to dash. So options are given. Option A tree. Okay. Option B teacher. Option A tree, option B teacher, option C school. So ಅವನು ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬೋವರ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಕರೀತಾನೆ? ಎಸ್, ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಕರೀತಾನೆ? ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ is considered as learnings bower. Yes, next question. The speaker in this poem is unhappy. Is it true? True or false this is? Is it true? Yes. So put a true there. Okay, you are supposed to write true within the bracket. Yes. Next question. The schoolboy compares himself to a caged bird. Is it true or false? Okay, avanu compare ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾನ ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತಾನು caged bird ಗೆ. Yes, it is true. Next question. What does the phrase tender wing refer to? What does the phrase tender wing refer to? Shall I narrate the answer now? Yes, children. The phrase tender wing refers to the simple and playful nature of childhood. Okay. Yes, I hope you have completed the answer. Yes, next question. Don't worry, only 3 questions are remaining. Youthful spring. Next question. Youthful spring, youthful, youthful spring refers refers to dash. Youthful spring refers to dash. Yes. Childhood days of joy. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, youthful spring refers to dash ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ childhood days of joy. Yes. Next question. Whose 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 parents are being referred, whose parents are being referred here, HERE, here. Yes, the answer is the parents of the schoolboy, the parents of the schoolboy are being referred here. The parents of the schoolboy are being referred here. Yes. Next question. Who is he talking to? He means the schoolboy. Okay, who is he talking to when he says if buts are nipped? Okay, so options are given. Option A, his parents. Option A, his parents. Option B, teacher. Okay. Option C, caged bird. Option D, all of the above. So which is the correct option here? Yes, his parents. Okay, option A, his parents. Option B, teacher. Option C, caged bird. Option D, all of the above. So his parents is the right option there. Yes. Last question. The tender plants refers to dash. The tender plants refer to dash. Yes, refers to the young children. Okay, the young children. So all the question and answers of 1 marks they have been completed now. In the next class I would like to take up subject verb agreement. Okay, your grammar part. I will be dealing with subject verb agreement in the next class. So be ready with a pen as well as notebook as well as textbook, grammar textbook also in your next class. So thank you children, thank you all.